Hi YouTube, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive love bugs, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I got my coffee like normal. And I got some things I want to show you guys. Now I know I originally said that I was going to have to sell some stuff to buy some stuff, but I couldn't help it. But I still plan on keeping that. I got some ideas of some things I'm going to do, and when I get them done, I'm going to come back and share them with you. But let me show this haul, share with you this haul. Now I got this stuff at the Hobby Lobby, and in all honesty, I only went to Hobby Lobby to get this right here. This was, or is, the Hello Die, not die, punch. I saw this one last week and I left it. And once I made it home, I said to myself, great. I said to myself, you know what? You need to go back and get that. And hopefully it's there. And I had to search for it. It wasn't where it was normally when I saw it last time, but it was over in the clearance section. And I found it and I got it. And like I said, this was the only thing I really went for. But I got a couple of other things, and this is how it punches. Let me get one real quick. And that's how it punches. I was hoping it was a little bit bigger, but that's okay because I still love it. I got this die. Gee, this punches where, and it's the one that says love. And that's how that looks. And you know what? On this packaging here, I actually thought that was going to stay on there. I might just cut that out and glue it on the top. Who knows? I might just glue that love on. Anyway, I got these two sheets of vellum. This is some pineapple vellum. And I got these because the next TN I'm going to work on has a pineapple thing. It's it's from the Meant to Be Fab stack. So that's why I got those. I picked up these bows. And I hate that they only had these two packages, but I got these to make some clips with for my TNs. I picked up this pack of paper clips. I picked this up. Why? I don't know. It was $1.79. It's a silk screen stencil. Got the B. I'm gonna try it and see. I actually went looking for that glassine bag thing. I need to try to find it. I picked up these charms. These were the last 4 that I had seen there when I went there. And these are the planner charms that go on your jump band. So I got these 4. And then I went up to the jewelry section and I found a couple of things I thought would look cute hanging off of TNs, and I got these 2 right here. This one is a locket. This one is a glass of glitter. I picked up this locket looking thing again, and it has little small rhinestone pieces in it. I picked up this cross. Y'all please forgive the noise. I am a Green Lantern fan. And last of the jewelry type pieces, I picked up this one right here, and this is a New York themed one. I'm taking my granddaughter to New York sometime between July and August of this year, and I'm gonna make us both a little something to go on our backpacks or something. So that's the first part of this haul. Okay. Next up is Michael's. And I didn't get a lot. I just got a few things. I picked up these 3 notebooks. I need to take this off. The paper, that mermaid paper, goes with these. And this one says, what is it? There's magic in you. And there are the unicorns, and there are the mermaids. And I think all of these are blank. Yeah, they're all 3 blanks. So I will be making a smaller TN once I make the larger TN with that. I picked up these stickers specifically to go with that paper because of the holographic nature. I actually just saw this. I didn't even see this part until after I purchased them, but it's gonna work out. I picked up more of these things. I didn't have this one, so I went and picked this one up. I thought I had two of this kind. I only had one, so I got this one. I think this was the last one that I had seen in the bin. And I picked up these pineapple paper clips specifically for the next TN I'm doing, which is with the mermaids. Oh no, you know what? Meant to Be Fab has some pineapples in it too, so that's the original reason why I got these. I picked up this young lady right here. I've been eyeing this stamp for forever. At a 50% off coupon, that's the reason why I got it. And I only wish they had a die that cut her out. Because I really cannot color, at least I haven't colored in ages. But I really do love this stamp. So if you're listening, who is this? What brand is this? Julie Nutting? Miss Julie Nutting, whoever that is, or whichever, Prima, says Prima. If you guys can make a die that cuts her out, I would be eternally grateful. This is the bomb. And I got these things to attempt to make shaker cards with. So just got to mix something with a bunch of different colors. Like these are different color butterflies. These are different color flowers. This is some holographic sequence. These are some iridescent sequences in different sizes. And here's some different colored sequence in different sizes. And this is the last thing I got. This is some bronze paper. I hope that isn't messing with the camera. But I got this bronze paper, and you saw in the one right before us how I cut out the hello and the love right here. And it's actually what I got it for, just to do that. And I got this holographic paper. So let me put that down right now, because I hope that didn't mess up the camera, because my camera gets wonky. And we're going to come back with the last part of this video. So this is the last grouping of things that I purchased, and all of this stuff came from Tuesday morning. I picked up this case. It was $3.99, and I just put everything in the case. And I'm going to show everything that's in here to you guys. And I didn't pick up a lot from it, but I did want some dies. Okay. I picked up this die. It says now. I picked up this die, and this die says this week. Is there anything on the back? Yeah, there it goes. This week. It's about the now one. Okay, that's the now one. I picked up this one. This one says today. I picked up this one. This one says love, and it has a frame right there. That's it on both sides. Actually, I had some misgivings about paying $8 for this, but I like it, and besides, I could do the love by itself, so that's cool. I picked up this. What is this, 1/2 inch? Yeah, this is the 1/2 inch red line tape, so I got one of these. Actually, I thought I had picked up two, and I did, but it was the 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch red line tape. I picked up this thing right here. This is a magnetic mini mat and a ruler. And I got this to work really with my, when I make the pockets on the TNs on the front and you have to cut the slit, that's the main reason why I got this, because I think I have jacked up about 4 TN covers because I was not able to make that cut to open the pocket correctly. So hopefully this will fix that. And as if I needed another one, I got this thing right here. This is an envelope, or it's a basic envelope set. And I'm assuming this is the stuff that it makes. These are the pieces on the back. And so now I have not only a die that makes envelopes, I have a, what is it? I have a stencil that makes envelopes, and I got a punch board that makes envelopes, Oh, and the Martha Stewart scoreboard makes envelopes. So I got 4 different ways to make envelopes right now. And I bet you if I check, I bet you my Cricut has some way to create envelopes. Bet you. Any kind of money. So anyway, guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All of your positive comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see all of my love bugs in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.